Hi everybody, Tom Fuller from the Proclaim development team. Wanted to show you a nifty new module that we've created for you to administer your Proclaim component. And it is a module on the administrative homepage. Now if you want to get to this and set it up, you just go to your system menu, and then from there you scroll down to administrator modules. Click on there and look for the Proclaim icons module. Click there. And what you'd want to do is to make sure that it's published. Choose maybe a position for it. I like cPanel. And then you can go through the list and decide what items you want to show and what items you want to show with a count by them. You have all the different views of Proclaim that are available for you. Once you've chosen, you just do save and close. And then when you go to your home dashboard, you'll see a new icon area available to you, Proclaim icons. You can see that it shows the message count and the media files or the teachers. These are also links to those areas. So if I click here, I can go to the messages view area, and then this actually allows me to add a new message right from the administrative home page. So hopefully this will be beneficial to you and help you to administer your Proclaim component even better.